Okay, back working on this thing again. Here's the rear fender's falling off the bike. Just tighten the bolts up at the other side. So this one here is loose. And the one on the other side is loose in the bottom also. Top two are tight. This one I moved a little bit more, but not much. But I gotta pull the muffler out to get to that one. Fun! Moving forward, taking more shit apart. Yep, running out of things to fix on this piece of crap. I'm sure there'll be a lot more pieces falling off. Get to them as I find them. That's all you can do. Okay. I know this goes on and off because I made it. This takes effort. That's loose, snap tight. And clamp's a little looser now. Alright. So this be 2 9/16, and that's off. If it'll come off. Got nuts on the back side. Yep. Double nutted. Okay. It's gonna come off. Ooh, it's almost plugged up. Pretty plugged up in there, see? Look at that. There it goes. I think it's just right, you can see through it. You can see right through it. Nice and open. Lightweight too. Okay. I'd be lucky if this isn't stripped. Or bottomed out. That's why you get extensions. I think it's a sure case the bolt's too long. It has that feeling to it to me that it's too long. Yeah, putting washers in there. It's a shouldered bolt for some reason. This is supposed to be rubber mounted or something. I don't know what the hell's going on with this. I'm not sure what their plan is on this. If I had to guess, some kind of attempt at rubber mounting a fender. That's a stupid plan. That will never work. It could be rubber or mud in there, I can't tell the difference. Well, obviously we're jam a washer in there to make it hard. Need more washers. Yeah. It's like another custom engineering thing. Alright. We need to do something different than this. I'm going to put a big washer in there and call it done. I have no idea what's supposed to be in there. At least the washer's tight now, not rattling. That's yeah, pretty good, whatever it is. At least the muffler goes on and off easy now. Like that. That's good. Tight. That's tight. It doesn't matter if this is tight. Exhaust ain't coming on. Good enough. Tightened up. Quick removal exhaust system. At least the muffler part. Alright, that was a joke. Don't know what that's all about. I know this likes to fall off. We have to definitely upgrade the hardware on these screws. I think I already Loctite them once. They're not loosening now. Yeah. Make sure you check those on several times. Every time you stop, check the air cleaner. Probably should have a big hole through the damn thing and put a zip tie on it so if it falls off it just hangs. Ding 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 ding. Probably won't hurt. Sounds like an engineering deal for later. If I lose that thing, it's going to be expensive. Yeah, I think I'll safety wire that sucker up in there. Oh, it appears I got a filter in there right now. Well, that filter does a lot. I'm moving the filter in at 1/4 inch. Oh yeah, it's doing a lot. Wonderful. At least we know it's there. Makes you feel better. Okay. Fun. Alright, we're down to hard stuff. Wiring, ignition. New kill switch. Alright, I'll be back. Figure out how I'm gonna do this. Okay, just averted another disaster. So I was getting work on my dead man switch when I found out I got a dead short in my hot wire here. When you go like this, it just starts melting everything. So spent a half hour tracing out what was going on. Took everything apart up here that I had connected together up there. Kept looking up on the dash, didn't see any problem. Looked over the whole bike for shorts, don't see nothing. And so then I disconnect the harness out of the back fender, and voila, problem goes away. See, everything's hooked up right now. See, ignition's on. That's your normal spark you get, not a big heavy zzz like that and start burning your finger. So something's melted back here. Something in that area. I'll deal with that later. Alright, so that's how you check stuff real quick when you got a problem. Just start disconnecting main circuits until you find out what doesn't cause the problem anymore. Quick and simple. Alright, I gotta put all this stuff back together now.